the pupils.
Okurugirira ha butambi obwakwatwa ba kansara ha masumu nubworeka abantu ababekomera enjegere kandi bari omu kanso obwo batire ba kansara ha munugo okubagambira ekyabira hari industrial park.
If you cannot address the issues of the industrial park and the discussing
Ishikyagemesereza polisi ya Kabarore kubitamu enkiito aho naho nuko kushuka abashaija bayaha kitebe kikuru kya district okwenda ngo embeera itakabatabukaho.
Habiye hariho obuzibu butari bumu na bumu bito obuturupotingireho kandi abakuru mu government at the executive level bariyo nibabusobora.
Omu kwezi kwa munana omu mwaka gw'2021 kanso ya district kahinguza ngo ehandikire mukuru w'ihanga okwenda ngo offices z'ekitongore kya Naro zifururwe zitwarwa mu district ya Kyenjo ryo kwenda ngo itakere ziruho babe niho bata industrial park. Ekikijaho bwanyuma ya mukuru wa district Richard Rwabuhinga okumanyisa kanso ngo abanaro bayirukanjira mu kotu kuzebera district kwombeka industrial park ahita Keri.
From 2018, a big post is raised there. A big post proposing industrial park for Kabarole district. And now it is 2023. There is reason for emotion, and I don't blame people who get annoyed, only that they approach.
The Honorable Minister for Agriculture, Honorable Tumwebaze, he may not be the first person to come here to resolve the issue of industrial park. All come, sit, but they don't make resolutions. As this council, we are pronouncing ourselves that we are likely to have a peaceful demonstration, because I see it is what may attract the attention of the president.
The presidential directive is a law. There is nobody, my minister has said this, my minister is intervening, a presidential directive is a law. If we happen to meet the president, everything will be solved immediately.
Gasha kwa Jonathan